Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn Arabic alphabets and the name of animals in Arabic and English with pictures. So watch complete video. Let's start today's lesson. Arnab. Arnab. Rabbit. Ba. Boma. Owl. Ta. Temsah. Crocodile. Sa. Salab. Fox. Jim. Jamal. Camel. Ha. Himar. Donkey. Donkey. Ha. Haroof. Sheep. Dal. Dik. Rooster. Zal. Zeeb. Wolf. Ra. Raccoon. Raccoon. Zarafa. Giraffe. Sin. Samaka. Fish. Sheen. Shovel. Line. Sword. Sucker. Hawk. Sucker. Dod. Difda. Frog. Touse. Peacock. Zarban. Ain. Asfur. Bird. Rain. Ghurab. Crow. Far. Mouse. far, mouse. Calf, calf, gird, gird. Monkey, calf, gird, monkey. Calf, calf, club, club, calf, club. Dog. Lamb, lamb, labba, lamb, labba. Lioness, lioness, lamb. Mame, mame, mice, meme, mice. Goat, goat, meme, mice. Noon, number, noon, number. Tiger. Wow, wow, with what? Wow, with what? Bat, bat. Ha, ha, hurrah, ha, hurrah. Cat, cat. Yeah, yeah, yamama, yamama. Dove, yeah, yamama, dove. Dears, thanks to join us. Like and share our video. Please subscribe our channel. See you in next videos. Allah Hafiz.